In tax work, it's very common for clients to come in with a lot of assumptions about what paying for a tax return includes and doesn't include, and mostly they're wrong. And that is because partly in the world that I'm in, I often was working with people who had never paid for a tax return before. So they had not had another accountant teach them that tax return only includes preparing the tax return. It does not include year-end tax planning. It does not include education about retirement accounts. It does not include finishing your bookkeeping for you. And I learned quickly that I had to be super clear in my onboarding materials, in everything that I had, just to scope it to death. And even then, people would come in and be like, "What do you mean you're not going to finish my bookkeeping for me?" I mean, like, that is a really, really big job. That is hours of work. This is my hourly rate. If you want me to do that work for you, I will. This is my rate. This is the estimate of what I think it will cost. Alternatively, you can do that on your own and come to me, and then I will only charge you for a tax return and not also for bookkeeping, right? That is how I tended to communicate that particular item. And believe me, that is a conversation every tax preparer has with a lot of clients, because there are a lot of clients who think that the tax preparer is going to do their bookkeeping. And it's just not true. Bookkeeping is a big job. That's why there's a whole group of people called bookkeepers. And they're worth every penny.